Ever pondered the question, what does it take to truly transform my life? Well, the answer might be simpler than you'd think. It's all about cultivating healthy habits. So, without further ado, here are 10 healthy habits that can truly revolutionize your lifestyle. First up, wake up early. As Benjamin Franklin famously said, "Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise." Waking up early sets the tone for the day and gives you a head start, allowing you to plan your day better, and ultimately leading to improved productivity. Next, practice mindfulness. Mindfulness, in essence, is living in the present. It's about focusing on the here and now, rather than dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. This can significantly reduce stress and enhance mental well-being. Third on our list is eat a balanced diet. You are what you eat, after all. Consuming a variety of foods from all food groups ensures your body gets all the nutrients it needs, which can boost your health and even your mood. Fourth, stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is crucial for maintaining your overall health, as it aids digestion, regulates body temperature, and keeps your skin glowing. Moving on to number 5, regular exercise. Regular physical activity strengthens your heart and lungs, improves your mood, and keeps your body in shape. Whether it's a brisk walk, yoga, or a gym workout, find what works best for you. Next up at number 6, we have limit screen time. In this digital age, it's easy to spend hours glued to screens. However, excessive screen time can lead to issues like eye strain, sleep disturbances, and even mental health problems. So take regular breaks from screens and engage in other activities. At 7, practice gratitude. It's easy to focus on what's wrong in your life, but practicing gratitude helps shift your focus to what's right. This can lead to increased happiness and decreased stress. 8th on our list is get enough sleep. Quality sleep is just as important as a healthy diet and regular exercise. It helps your body and mind recover, improves your memory, and keeps you alert and focused during the day. 9th, maintain social connections. Humans are social creatures, and maintaining strong relationships can greatly benefit your mental health. So, make time for your loved ones, even if it's just a quick chat over a cup of tea. Finally, at number 10, continuous learning. Learning new things keeps your mind sharp and can even contribute to your happiness. Whether it's a new language, a new skill, or just a fun fact, never stop learning. So there you have it, 10 healthy habits that can transform your life. Incorporating these habits into your daily routine may seem challenging at first, but remember, it's all about taking small steps towards a healthier, happier you. The key benefits include improved physical and mental health, increased productivity, and a more positive outlook on life. So go ahead, make a change today, and watch your life transform for the better.